Imagine this. You're 65 years old, broke, living off social security checks that barely cover your bills. You spent your whole life working hard, yet you have nothing to show for it. Now, picture this. What if at 65 you had to start all over again? Would you? Could you? Well, one man did. And not only did he start over, but he built an empire recognized across the world. This is the story of Colonel Harlan Sanders, the man behind KFC. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why it's never too late to succeed. Chapter 1. The Struggle. Harlan Sanders wasn't always a colonel, and he certainly wasn't always successful. Born in 1890, his life started with hardship. His father died when he was just 5 years old, forcing his mother to work while he cared for his siblings. By the age of 10, he was working on a farm. By the time he was a teenager, he had already held multiple jobs. Fireman, insurance salesman, steamboat operator, even a lawyer, until he got into a courtroom fight that ended his legal career. You see, Sanders wasn't some born genius. He was just a man trying to survive. And for most of his life, he failed. By his 40s, he was running a small gas station in Kentucky. To earn extra money, he started cooking meals for travelers. People loved his fried chicken, and soon he opened a small restaurant. And for the first time in his life, things were looking up. Until one day, disaster struck. Chapter 2. Everything falls apart. Just when Sanders thought he had found success, the government announced plans to build a new interstate, one that bypassed his restaurant. In an instant, he lost everything. His business failed. He was forced to sell his restaurant at a loss. And at 65 years old, when most people retire, he was left with nothing but his social security checks of $105 a month. Most people would have accepted defeat. Most people would have said, "I'm too old to start over." But not Sanders. With nothing but a recipe and a belief that his chicken was the best, he packed his car and hit the road. He started knocking on doors, pitching his fried chicken recipe to restaurants across America. Now, let's pause here for a second. Imagine being 65 years old and going door to door, asking people to take a chance on you. Would you do it? Because let me tell you what happened next. Chapter 3. 1009 Rejections. Rejection after rejection after rejection. Some restaurant owners laughed at him. Others slammed the door in his face. Some didn't even let him finish his pitch. But Sanders? He didn't stop. He was rejected 1009 times. Let that sink in. 1009 times. But on the 1000th attempt, one restaurant owner said yes. One. That one yes started a chain reaction. More restaurants joined in, and soon Kentucky Fried Chicken was born. Within a few years, his recipe was in restaurants across the country, and at the age of 73, he sold KFC for $2 million, over $17 million in today's money. A man who had once been completely broke had built a global empire, and it all started because he refused to quit. Chapter 4. What you can learn from Sanders. So, what does this mean for you? If you're watching this and you feel like life is against you, if you feel like success isn't happening fast enough, remember this. You're never too old to start over. If Sanders could do it at 65, so can you. Rejection isn't failure. If he had quit at rejection number 500, you wouldn't even know his name today. The world rewards those who refuse to give up. Most people quit after their first failure. But Sanders, he failed for decades before he finally won. So let me ask you this. How many times have you tried? How many times have you been rejected before you decided to stop? What if you're just one more attempt away from your breakthrough? You don't have to be young, you don't have to be rich, you don't have to have all the answers. You just have to refuse to quit, because the only real failure is giving up. So if you're serious about your dreams, drop a comment below and tell me, what's one thing you refuse to give up on, because one day I might be telling your story.